We're making shrimp stir fry with vegetables. We have 2 pounds of shrimp, 2 cups of broccoli and 1 cup of celery chopped, 2 cups of carrots chopped, 2 cups of snow peas, all right, 1 big bell pepper chopped, and 1 onion, and then this coyote thing, also known as Christophine in Trinidad, 3 cloves of garlic, this is about a teaspoon of ginger. We're grating the ginger and the garlic and ginger grated. I'm gonna peel the Christophine like it's a potato, I guess. Smells kind of like an apple. This is what it looks like inside, and you have to cut out that pit. We cut the coyote or Christophine lengthwise, and we're just gonna chop it like this. We wash the shrimp and we're going to season it. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna put a pinch of the grated garlic and ginger mixture. Alright, so we have 1 teaspoon of fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of teriyaki sauce and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna add the shrimp. We're adding the broccoli, celery, and carrots. So we're adding the snow peas, bell pepper, and Christophine. Onions, garlic and ginger, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, some all-purpose seasoning, sesame oil, 2 green onions chopped. We have 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, red chili pepper. Alright, we're adding the shrimp. It's really good. Tastes professional.